Good morning, students. Welcome to the first session. Now, today we are going to discuss the integration, indefinite integration continuation part. In previous class, we had discussed up to 65 problems. Now I am going to do 66th onwards. These are in level 1 only. See the 66th question, what they are given. Integration, exponential cube root x given. Exponential cube root x, that is integration e power cube root x dx. Here assume that let cube root x is equal to t, then x is equal to t cube. Do the differentiation on both sides. Dx is equal to 3t square dt. Now these values substitute here, e power t into dx means 3t square dt. This is in the form of integration e power x into f of x dx. How to do that? Direct formula, we know that 3 is constant, take outside, e power t into f of x minus f dash of x, t square derivative is 2t plus f double dash of x, 2t derivative is 2 plus c. Okay, now instead of t, substitute the values. 3 e power cube root x into t square. Cube root x means that is x power 1 by 3. T square means it will come x power 2 by 3 minus 2 into x power 1 by 3 plus 2 plus c. This is the answer. Observe that which option is correct? Second option. Here they are given exponential cube root x, that meaning is e power cube root x only. Here correct answer is not second option, because here constant 3 is set. Third option is correct. So I am going to next question. 67. See this? How to do that? How to do that? Here, let tan x is equal to t. Derivative of tan x, secant square x dx, that is equal to dt. But x is there. What is x here? X is equal to tan inverse of t. Okay, students, are you understood? Now substitute here. Integration. X means tan inverse of t into tan x means t, secant square x dx means dt. Now apply that integration by parts. I let I means inverse. So this is first function, this is second function. Apply the formula. Tan inverse t integration t dt minus integration derivative of tan inverse t, that is 1 by 1 plus t square into integration t dt. What is integration t dt? T square by 2 tan inverse t minus integration t dt means t square by 2, t square right outside, sorry, 1 by 2 right outside, t square divided by 1 plus t square dt. Now how to calculate the second term? So here add 1, subtract 1. Then t square by 2 tan inverse t minus 1 by 2 into, so these two terms take 1 unit. So we get t square plus 1 divided by 1 plus t square means that is 1 minus 1 by 1 plus t square into dt. Now this is t square by 2 tan inverse t minus 1 by 2 into integration 1 dt, that is t, minus into minus plus 1 by 2 integration 1 by 1 plus t square, that is tan inverse t plus c. Now instead of t substitute tan x, and overall observe that 1 by 2 is there, take common. Here tan inverse t is there, that value should be x. T we can write tan x, that is tan square x minus tan x plus tan inverse t means that is x plus c. This is the final answer. See the options. Which option is correct? First option is correct. Students, all of you understood now? I am going to next question. 68th one. See this? How to do that? Integration sine root x. Integration sine x means direct formula is there. Sine root x, there is no direct formula. So what we have to do? Let root x is equal to t. Derivative of root x 1 by 2 root x dx, that is equal to dt. Root x take cross multiplication and 2 also. Dx is equal to, instead of root x I am writing t. Dx is equal to 2t dt. Now those values substitute here. Sine root x dx, that is equal to integration sine t into 2t dt. 2 is constant right outside, sine t and t. So which is first function, which is second function? Use highlight word. So first will come algebra. This is second function. This is first function. Okay. Now 2 into t integration sine t dt minus derivative of t1 integration sine t dt. Now this is 2 integration sine t minus cos t minus, here also integration sine t minus cos t, minus into minus plus, again integration cos t, that is sine t, or otherwise write one more step, no problem. If you want cos t dt. Now 2 minus t cos t plus sine t dt, sine t plus c. Instead of t, substitute root x minus root x cos root x plus sine root x plus c. This is answer. See the carefully options. 2 into sine root x minus root x cos x plus c. So first option is correct. 69th question. See that. See this. Integration log x whole square dx. Integration log x, there is no direct formula, but here log x whole square is there. So there is no direct formula. Now how to do? Let log x is equal to t. What is base? You can expect e only. What is x now? E power t. Apply the differentiation. Derivative of log x, 1 by x dx, that is equal to dt. Now dx is equal to x dt. What is x value? Here already we got e power t dt. Those values substitute in the question. Integration. Log x means I am taken t square into dx means e power t dt. So already we know that formula. Integration e power x into f of x dx. What is the formula? E power x into f of x minus f dash of x plus f double dash of x minus and so on. Now e power t into, apply the formula, t square derivative 2t derivative 2 plus c. E power t means what? X. T means log x. X into log x whole square minus 2 into log x plus 2 plus c. This is the answer. So which option is correct? See that. First option is correct.